Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Scholar, channel that brings you content regarding research, freelancing, how to make money online, and do all some things that can make your life much more beautiful. My name is Mark Soto. Please, if this is the first time you have encountered this channel, I would like to call on you to please hit the subscribe button so that you can join my network, and each time I bring up content that will be of benefit to you, you will be the very first to be notified by YouTube. Today, I want us to discuss about ChatGPT, your personal research assistant for academic writing. ChatGPT was introduced towards the end of 2022, precisely around October or November, and it has become a veritable tool that has assisted many people in their day-to-day tasks. It has helped them to improve efficiency, delivery time, and the quality of the job that they deliver. So I want to introduce you to ChatGPT. Here's ChatGPT. If you are here to, the first thing you will need to do if you are here to set up your account is to set up your account on this space. Here is the web address. You just go to your browser, whatever browser you're using, and then you will type in www.chat.openai.com, and then it will give you a space whereby you will be asked to sign up, supply your details, and then from there you are good to go. Yes, so I want to demonstrate to you, first of all, some of the things that you can use ChatGPT to do. You can use ChatGPT to develop a scripts for a programming activity or programming assignment. You can use ChatGPT to develop and generate topics for your research work. You can use ChatGPT to generate the outline for your research work. You can use ChatGPT to get citations for your research work. You can use ChatGPT to even write sections of your research work. So I'm just going to dive in without wasting more of your time to demonstrate to you how you can use ChatGPT to generate topics for your research activities. Now I will just type in there generate, let's say 3 research topics on immersive technology and mechanical engineering, for instance. And then you hit the enter button on your keyboard, and then you see that 3 topics on mechanical engineering have been developed. Okay, if you want to write an outline for your research, you can pick any of these ones, for instance, and say generates a comprehensive outline for topic number 3 above, right? And then you see that ChatGPT will go to work, and let me just close so that you can see how it's doing the job. You see it has prepared an outline for you. Then you want to go through the outline, right? So for a work that I did okay, let's say for a topic that I initially generated, which is let's say this is the topic that I'm interested in. Let me prep it so that it can be in the shape that I like it. Alright, here's a topic that I'm interested in. Oh, I was locked out, so I'll just go right back and log back in. Just a few seconds. Okay, we're back. So here's the topic I'm interested in. I will just say for that topic, which is right here on the screen, it says investigating the application of immersive technology, mechanical engineering design, and prototyping, a pre-study of virtual reality simulation. So I can just copy this, bring it back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate an outline for this research topic. So here we are. Okay. So I will now say to continue. I now say based on the outline you generated above, write me a research, write me a research paper. Let's say you include like a research professional. Okay, write me a research paper using the already included research paper. Okay, so you add that includes citations, and then you press enter. Oh, it came up with a complaint. Never mind. We can still take care of that. So just first of all, based, I will now copy and say based based on this outline, let's say I copy this, let's do this like a research professional, like me, but that includes citations. So based on this research outline, so I'll go up here and copy the outline. I'll also make sure that the topic of the study is included. So what's that? first of all here the topic, then let's have the outline now. Okay, so that's the outline, and then I'll hit enter. Let's see what it says this time around. And voila, your paper is being worked on. As you can see, it's running. Alright, ChatGPT is magical. Please guys, if you like what you are seeing, I'd like to invite you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for this video. Now it will run for some time and stop. Then all you need to do is to hit type in continue and press enter, and it will continue doing what it knows how to do best. Okay, so I've just copied part of what was generated and paste it inside a Word document. The paper is being worked upon by ChatGPT. So let's go back, see, maybe see, then it has reached a point. I will also again type continue just in case there's still some of the stuff that it has got to generate. Guys, ChatGPT is it. If you're a researcher and you would like to be fast, you want to be efficient, you want to be professional in what you do, ChatGPT is very important to you. You see that? I go back, ChatGPT, and I just go ahead and copy the stuff that it generated, and I bring it up, paste in the Word document, and as you see, we have a paper. The only thing remaining is for you to format your paper. Okay, we're having about 9 pages of research work here. Just the formats, that's the only thing we have left. The title should be 1 point or 1.15. Okay, highlight the subheadings, close some of these gaps. Okay, this is how you can use ChatGPT, guys, to support your research work. All that you have left is to proofread your work and format it in the manner that you would love to. So we have research problem, we have literature review, as you can see, and so on and so forth. Well, literature review, format all the sections, format sections. We have it is all in here, guys. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, it is important that you subscribe to it, because I'll be bringing out content like this that will be useful and helpful to you intermittently. So don't deny yourself the opportunity to benefit from my work This is how you use ChatGPT to write a paper, to write your 10 papers. And then one thing is, guys, one other thing is, when you run this through Turnitin, those of you who know what Turnitin is, you are sure to get a paper that has a very low similarity index, a very high level of originality. That's what you get when you use ChatGPT to develop sections of your paper and humanize it by yourself by going through and bringing in other ideas, including citations and so on and so forth. So you can see that we're here in conclusion. I'm only just scrolling down just so that you can see that every important section of your research paper is included in this. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, share it among your friends, and be sure to try out ChatGPT today. Thank you very much, and God bless you.